Stella? Will you stop playing with that? Oh no, did you hurt yourself? Stella, smile. Hey, Stella. Sit down in the tub. Number 1 rule, sit down in the tub. Are you trying to put that back? Here, sit down. You can put it up back while you're down. Stella. Can you say, Stella, look. Stella. Can you say, happy? Stella. Stella, happy. Hapa, hapa. Can you say, mama?
Mama.
Can you say, dada? Stella. Can you say, dada? Can you say, ball?
Ba.
Can you say, juice?
Sh.
Juice? Can you say, shoes? Shoes? Can you say, dad? Can you say, dad? Stella. Can you say, dada?
Dada.
Okay, can you say, mama?
Mama.
Can you say, ama?
Ama.
Can you say, nena?
Nina.
Can you say, Jima? Can you say, what does a doggy say, Stella? Stella. Stella, what does a doggy say? Woo woo. Do you know what a cat says? What's a Bishak say? Meow. Stella, can you say meow? Stella. Oh, get it. Can you say meow? Stella, can you say apple? Apple. Can you say baby? Baby. Okay, Stella, can you say bye? Look, Stella, I'm leaving. Stella, I'm leaving. Stella. Psst. Can you say bye? Say bye. Look, wave goodbye too. Stella. Kid. No standing up. Look, Stella, look. Wave to me, please. Stella. Stella, look. Say bye, Mom. Say bye, Ma. Look at me. Whoa. That was a close one. Stella. Stella. Psst, psst. Stella. Look, can you say bye, Ma? Say bye. Stella. Okay, bye.